My fond memory of eating Gua Bao usually is at the market. Gua Bao is something I was used to eating while growing up. It's always bought outside. Somehow we never make it at home. But this is kind of challenge I like. That's an experience I've had outside. I wanted to be able to recreate at home. Gua Bao is basically lotus bun. And I believe in any Asian supermarket, you can find it at a frozen section. It's a bun that opens up in the middle. It's a very auspicious dish because this usually symbolizes a purse. And then we stuff a bunch of money inside. So a lot of time we eat it during Chinese New Year as well. So this dish, the stuff inside is pork belly. But there are 3 important condiments that really differentiate this bun. So this is very Taiwan specific flavor-wise versus other buns that you have outside. So we're cutting it about like 1 cm thick. And then I'm going to brown both sides just to sear it. Then I'm going to add my flavors. So flavor are soy sauce, some wine, shallots, just to add some flavor. Sounds like home, no? Cinnamon, and some sugar, some water. Secret ingredients which add a little bit of freshness to it, some skin from the orange. And then cover it like this.
While the pork braises for an hour, let's get to work on our condiments.
This is suan cai. Suan cai is basically salted mustard green. If you really want to relate, it tastes like, those pickle that goes into hamburger, but it has a little bit of bok choy texture and taste. So usually what I do is that I will wash it and then soak it. So I'll let all the residual of any impurity comes out. This needs to add more flavor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in some chili padi and then some garlic. We're going to later stir fry with these 2.
Adding the garlic paste, chili padi, and sugar will ramp up the flavor of the suan cai. Let's also work on part 2 of the condiments.
So what I'm doing is just make a sweet peanut powder, 2 times of peanuts, and then 1 time of sugar. Later we'll add a nice texture as well as a surprise peanut sweetness to it. All right, let me just have a taste. Peanut and sugar, pretty straightforward. But the combination later will add a lot to the dish.
Together with the stir-fried suan cai and a helping of a cilantro, your 3-part condiment selection is ready to go.
Stuffed bun is actually not unique to Taiwan. I know Korean, Japanese, even Hawaii. Stuffed bun is everywhere. Today I'm just showing you one version. You can decide, what is the stuffing you want and also what's the condiment you want, and you can make your own stuffed bun. So I want to ask you what other stuffed bun you want to see me making. Let me know in the comments. Traditional Gua Bao, they serve the whole piece and stuff in the bun, but I find kids, sometimes they're not able to bite it through or to eat it more gracefully as opposed to struggling with a big piece of meat. I like to cut them up. So everything is ready in front of me, the condiment, the meat, and the bao. Now let's assemble it.
Irresistibly flavorful and comforting. My surprisingly simple Taiwanese Gua Bao are sure to satisfy your appetite.
A very big bite. The peanut powder and the pickle plus the cilantro really brighten this savory, fatty dish. And then with a soft bun wrap around it, it's very good. Like it.